Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset Google Maps settings. If your Google Maps is lagging, showing wrong infos, or not updating your location, it might be time to reset the app settings. This can help fix bugs, clear cached data, or solve login issues. Now in this video tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps on how to reset your Google Maps on Android and on iPhone. Now, as you can see, I'm using my computer. So I'm just gonna guide you through the process verbally and just follow my instructions, and you're gonna be able to reset your Google Maps in no time. The first step you're gonna do is to open your device settings and then go to apps, then choose Google Maps and tap storage and cache. After that, tap clear cache, and this will clear temporarily data. Then tap clear storage or clear data, and this resets the app to default settings. And after that, reopen Google Maps, and you will need to log in again or enable location permissions. Now on iPhone, there is no reset button, but you can delete the app by tapping and holding Maps and then selecting delete app and reinstall it from the App Store, and this gives you a fresh start. You can do this on iPhone, and you can also do this uh, on uh, your Android device. But on your iPhone, you can delete the cache or clear it. Resetting Google Maps is a great way to solve weird behavior, loading problems, or bugs. It clears the slate so the app can function like new again. And don't forget to enable permissions after resets, like location accesses. And also, resetting doesn't affect your saved places if you're signed in to your Google account. And also consider resetting location settings too if issues continue. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.